Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Angela. I'm FIA Jazz Vocational Student in Music Administration. In today's video we will fill out who is older or equal to 7 of the students in order to give the scholarship or not be able to give the scholarships. Okay, to begin, we are going to create the table. And put the numbers indicate for students. Once we have done that, we are going to the exercise done in Paint to make the formulas easier. Okay. Once that is done, what we are going to from the Paint, we are going to explain the exercise to begin with the grid. B2 is equal or greater than 7, and we put true if it is true, or false if it is not true. Okay, and the formula is equal if B2 greater or equal 7. Okay, we put an inside, we put 2 commas, and if it yes and 2 commas, if is no, we know for the students who can have a scholarship if they are greater or equal to 7. We put yes, and if it is less and it is less, then we put no. Okay, we are going to write the formula in the Excel exercise, that is the exercise 1. And we are going to read if with the open the parenthesis, no, equal if the open the parenthesis, and we wrote click on B2, the symbol of greater than the equal 7. We wrote a semicolon, and we put two commas, and very good, and another 2 commas we open, we put because we are going not going to close the commas, and the parentheses is click on enter, and is the select the Antonio is very good because is the ranking is a 7.5. Joaquin is a no because the rating is a 6. Irene is very good because the rating is 8. Silvia is a 9.5. Luis is a 5 because it's a next step, and Elena is a 3, is the next step. Is the exercise 01. And so much for today's video. I hope you like for subscribe and the most videos.